But I am blessed to be a Minister of Agriculture at a time when this ministry is pushing in a very deliberate and purposeful way to transform how we think about agriculture. And we are developing the strategic partnerships to help you, our farmers, to do what you do best. Your Member of Parliament spoke about water, and I tell you that we are serious about ensuring that the Pedro Plains project, the irrigation project, is completed, and the money has been allocated for us to do the environmental impact assessments and other preliminary things this year to push that project. We want you in Flagaman to get the water so you can reap more and flourish and not have to deal with the limitations that have constricted you. Imagine if you get the water, what Jamaica will see in production. Right now we are at our highest production without water. With the water, we are moving towards meeting local demand, providing support for the regional demand, and exporting across the world so that the entire world, the entire globe, can get an opportunity to taste what is good in Jamaica. So I assure you that we are doing the necessary support work, and the NIC has received an allocation, and we are working assiduously to ensure that we get that project moving. 490 registered farmers here in Flagaman, Minister Green. 490. And as you said, it is the area that has the highest number of registered farmers, which really shows that this community has been dedicated for a very long time to ensuring that Jamaicans have food on our tables. So we say to you, Flagaman, thank you. And I understand the challenges that you're having, and I hope to hear directly from you, because you hear from me a commitment that we will respect and value what you have done over the years. And together with our partners, it is our intention to make sure that the 2,790 hectares that you have put into production is increased. To make sure that the support you need is received. That is why the incident that took place on August 16th of this year was taken as urgent and serious by the ministry. And even though I was not on island at the time, instructions were given and actions were taken. $3.8 million was the value when we did our assessment, and perhaps more. But money was immediately put to provide support to our farmers, Mr. Simpson, in the form of black drums, irrigation kits, and others. Grass, to make sure that we can get you back into a position to move forward. And I know more is needed. I know more is needed. That's why we are here today. Because we want you, the farmers of Flagaman, the farmers in St. Elizabeth, farmers across the country, to know that the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries is dedicated to ensuring we create the environment where you can achieve. When it comes down to the big issue that was raised by your Member of Parliament regarding extension officers, I want you to know that it is RADA who will be the first to tell you that they want more extension officers. So understand that we appreciate the concern. That is why the government is instituting a restructuring of RADA, where we will do the necessary assessments and put in place a structure that will be best fit for purpose. So you can expect, you can anticipate to see some changes, some adjustments in the future. But we're going through the process by starting with the assessment and moving now to be able to make the changes so better service can be provided to our farmers.